Hi everyone, I'm Talia from Postman. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between microservices and APIs? This is a super common question I get all the time, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the difference, you'll be able to spot it in your own architecture. A microservice is a self-contained independent service that does one thing really well. Think of it as a small piece of a larger puzzle, like an authentication service or a payment processor that can be built, deployed, and scaled independently of the rest of your application. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is the interface that microservices and other systems expose so that they can talk to each other. It's how services communicate. So think of an API like a waiter at a restaurant. You don't go to the kitchen yourself. You tell the waiter what you want and they go grab it. Let's make this personal. Imagine you're ordering from a food delivery app. The app is the interface, but behind the scenes, you've got a restaurant service that shows available menus, a payment service that processes your order, a delivery service that tracks the driver. So each one of these is its own microservice, but you, the app or front end, are only able to interact with them through their APIs. So microservices versus APIs, not the same thing. Microservices are the architecture, APIs are how you connect to that architecture. And tools like Postman, they help you design, test, and scale both sides of the equation.